Consistency is key in manufacturing drawings, and SOLIDWORKS drawing templates drive standards by providing the same starting point for each drawing. However, many users don't realize they can quickly update their existing drawings to change things like the title block or sheet size by simply swapping out the background. This is known as the sheet format, and we'll introduce it in this 2-minute tech tip. First, let's clarify what a drawing template means in SOLIDWORKS. Your template defines the settings for the drawing's environment. Think of a part template. It sets things like units, font size, display settings, things that can change from document to document. A drawing template includes these things and can also include a title block and sheet. And often this is what users associate with the word template. But an important distinction needs to be made here. These elements reside in the background, locked in an area called the sheet format. The sheet format includes the border labels, title block, custom notes, and even the dimensions of the paper itself. So if the drawing is defined as the views and annotations of your model, the sheet format is the paper on which they are drawn. The sheet format can be saved to a separate file for one key reason. In SOLIDWORKS, you can replace the underlying sheet format without affecting your drawing views, notes, or dimensions. Those remain in place. This means you can update your paper size mid-drawing if you run out of room, or update your title block if your company gets a new logo, without needing to recreate drawings from a blank drawing template. To swap the sheet format, go to the sheet properties. The center section allows you to browse sheet format files, either in predefined folder locations or freely elsewhere. When you select a file, SOLIDWORKS will copy the data into the drawing, the paper dimensions, along with everything else. You can find out the best practices for creating sheet formats and customizing file directories in SolidProfessor's SOLIDWORKS Drawings course, which also covers niche drawing view options and extensive dimensioning schemes to up your game for effective drawings.